Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the connection to site is not secure Chrome error. If you see that kind of error in your browser, to solve this error, open your Chrome browser. Once the browser is open in front of you, here goes, just go to the right side of the browser and click on those three dots. After clicking, that kind of format video will open in front of you. In this format, scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see a button of setting right here. Click on it. After clicking, your format will be open in front of you. In this format, go to the left side of your PC screen and you will see a button of privacy and security. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will be opened in front of you. Here, we will just scroll down. After scrolling down, you will see a button of security. Click on it. After clicking, a new format will be open. In this format, we will just go down. Once you find a section of Advanced, you'll find it here. You will see, at the below, Advanced always use secure connections, HTTPS, and never possible and get a warning before loading sites that don't support it. We will just disable this button. After disabling, go back to the website and remove the HTTPS clone and the slash. After removing HTTPS clone and // hit the undo button and your website will be working. That's all the way to fix the connection for the website which is not secure in Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.